All right, guys. Good evening. Welcome to D&D Breaks. Well, tonight we will be breaking two mega boxes of the NBA premium stock and two blaster boxes of the premium stock. So we have 32 cards in the blaster box where it says exclusive red prisms, and the mega boxes it says green cracked ice prisms. So those are the two different prisms in the boxes. So good luck to everybody. Um, if you miss any of the break or you want to join or you want to see it again, I'll be putting it on my YouTube channel, the card breaks, about a half hour after the break is over, or it'll be here on my Instagram channel. All right, we're going to try to see what we can pull for you guys. We'll do the best that we can. Good luck to everybody. The players will be going to who they are on their team. So this is 2019-20. So whatever uniform they are in on their card, that's the team that they will be going to. All right, guys. Good luck. We'll do a blaster, then a mega, then a blaster, then a mega for the break. All right, my partner here is helping me tonight, Dave. So let's do the 8 packs mega box first. Hope we get some nice pulls for you guys. Good luck to everyone for the NBA premium stock. All right, and away we go. Do this so we don't see the last card in the box. All right, we'll start with Dwight Powell, Bradley Beal, and Anthony Davis. And they shorted us a card out of the first pack. Anthony Davis. So that's Panini for you. They only give you 3 out of the first pack. Nice. All right. Kevin Hertra. DeAndre Ayton. Darius Garland, a nice one for Cleveland. Nice pull for Cleveland right off the bat. And Raven. And Quinn Cook of the Disco card. Quinn Cook Disco. It is not numbered, so Quinn Cook. Yeah, Lakers. The Lakers both for rank, so Quinn Cook. All right, Kevin Durant, Brooklyn. Nerlens Noel. Cam Reddish, Atlanta Hawks. Nice one for Jeff. And courtside, John Wall. So nice courtside insert for John Wall right there. So let's get the Disco in. Just top load the Reddish, Dave, okay? And the Reddish out there. About halfway home. First box blasters. And we have Kemba for Boston. Marvin Bagley. Daniel Gafford. Silver, Langston Galloway, Detroit Pistons. So Detroit and Richard with the first silver of the night. So let's get the Reddish out here. We'll have a rookie pile right here. Have the inserts. Silver, we will top load the silver before we get that shipped out to you. But we have a silver here in the first blaster. All right. Jalen Brunson. Emmanuel Mudiay. Mike Scott. And Rajon Rondo, Lakers. So Rondo for the Lakers. Still waiting on some big rookies. Dion Waiters. Kyle Lowry. Karl Malone, old school. And we have a Jeff Green. Like a red, white, and blue, it looks like. Numbered 27 out of 99. So Jeff Green with the Rockets, 27 out of 99. And that is going to Joseph. So a nice Jeff Green right there, numbered card. Uncle Jeff. All right, Reggie Jackson. Mo Bamba. Weatherspoon. And Zero Gravity, Ben Simmons for Philly. Nice hit for Philly. Horatio, Zero Gravity, Ben Simmons. Nice hit there for Philly. And last pack of the first blaster. We have Levert, Brooklyn. Jabari Parker, Sacramento. Rajon Rondo. And Silva, LaMarcus Aldridge for San Antonio. And James. So we got two Silvers down. Nice LaMarcus Aldridge there. A Zero Gravity. So first box is done with the blasters. Let's go to a Mega next. We'll hit the Mega box and we'll come back to a blaster and a Mega. So let's go Mega box. This has 64 cards per box. 8, bless you, gold green cracked prisms. So let's see what we can do here on this Mega. Still looking for a lot of the big boys, so hopefully we'll get them here. So our first Mega box. Get a nice Mega break right before the holidays. Get a couple of Zions in there. So hopefully we'll have the same look. Alright, Mega box is down. Warriors, we'll try to get you some Warriors here. I'm sure we'll get some. Be patient. Do the best we can. Here we go. Pack number 1 of the Megas. P.J. Tucker. Chicago, McCannon. Dennis Schroeder, OKC. Derek Favors. Cameron Johnson. Justin James. Green. Ntilikina, New York Knicks. Lights, camera, action. Kyle Lowry for the Blazers.
No, the Raptors.
The Raptors. I'm sorry. I thought it was what's his name for the Blazers? Lillard. All right. So there we go. So lights, camera, action for the Raptors in Toronto. Pack number 2. Marcus Smart, Boston. James Harden, Houston Rockets. Maybe not for long. Melo, Trailblazers. Minnesota. New Orleans. Dwayne Dedman, Atlanta. Darius Garland Green for Cleveland is a nice Garland Green. And Mo Bamba. Mo Bamba, Orlando. Looks like a little silver prism there. So nice Darius Garland. Yep. Nice one there. 2 Garlands so far for the Cavs. Nice Garlands there for Cleveland. All right. Chris Paul, OKC. Zach LaVine, Chicago. Kanter, Boston. DeAndre Jordan. Jonas. John Stockton. Green. The Joker for Denver. And frequent flyers. Anthony Davis, Los Angeles Lakers. So frequent flyer AD. Those out there. Still looking for a Warriors. All right. This will be the fact. Let's break the Warriors jinx right here. Harold, Clippers. Luka for Dallas. Jason, a nice Luka. Danny Green. Top load now. Yeah. Morris. Jalen Noel, Brian Forbes, Siakam green, silver Brandon Ingram for the Pelicans. So Tim gets a Pelican, Ingram silver. He's still looking for the Pelican that he really wants, but hopefully it'll be soon. We're still looking for our Warriors. Grayson, we'll get you some. I don't think I'll go 4 boxes without a Warrior. Dragic, Miami. Andre Drummond. Thomas Bryant. Pelicans, Drew Holiday. Clippers. Base, New Orleans. Zion Williamson for Tim. Nice Zion card right there. We'll top load that right now. Green Goga. And lights, camera, action. Brooklyn Jason, Kevin Durant. Oh, it says put that Zion right with the Luka. Nice Durant. All right. Nice KD. Let me get in trouble with this pack here. All right. Look at the KD out here. Jared Allen, Nets. Daniel House. Lonnie Walker, Spurs. Paul George. Nickeil Alexander-Walker. Kevin Durant, tribute. Brooklyn. Caruso green. And Dwayne Dedmon silver for the Hawks. So Jeff gets a silver. Get another Durant for Brooklyn. 2 packs left for the first mega. Michael Porter. Gordon Hayward. J.J. Redick. Brooke Lopez. Harrison Barnes. Tremont Waters. Ja Morant green for Memphis. And Frank green cracked ice. Ja Morant. And silver, Justin Winslow, silver prism for Memphis. Winslow. So we get a Morant and a Winslow silver back to back. So a nice pack there for Memphis. It's on the card, Memphis now. All right. Nice hit there for Frank. We're still looking for a Warrior. Jay Crowder, Denver, Rubio, Tobias Harris, Kendrick Nunn, Miami, Rui for Washington, Frank, nice hit there for Washington, Fournier, Orlando, and frequent flyers, silver, James Harden for Houston. So nice one there for Joseph. Top load, Rui, please. Okay, so we'll get the Morant out there with the Zion. Get these over here. Put my other silver out here. All right, so we have 2 boxes down. Put Zion and Ja up front here. Who's that? That's a Rui. Nice Rui there. All right, back to a blaster. Still waiting. We're still trying to get a Tyler Hero here and some Warriors. Still waiting on the Warriors. So, second blaster. So not a bad mega box there with the Zion and the green Ja. Let's see what this blaster brings. Blaster number 2. And thanks for joining us, guys. We will be breaking more hoops probably towards the end of the week. So look for my eBay site or Instagram on that. I'll try to send a notification to you guys when we'll be doing that. Okay. So first one, Blaster. Blaster number 2, Otto Porter. Dylan Brooks. I'll move some of these base cards over. Bol. Nice Bol right there for Denver. And Trevor Ariza. Green. Trevor Ariza green for Portland. So Ariza green. We're trying, Grayson. Still trying to get you one, bud. Zubox. Georgie. Quinn Cook, Lakers. Otto Porter Jr. Bulls. Little prism disco action right there. Otto Porter Jr. Bulls. Pack number 3. Yeah. All right. Courtney Lee. Willie Cauley-Stein, Dallas.
Tribute.
Dwayne Wade, Miami. And backstage pass, Chris Paul, Oklahoma City. So backstage pass, OKC for Chris Paul. Those two out there. Pack 3, Blaster, Trae Young, Atlanta, Bradley Beal, Kevin Porter Jr., Silver, Troy Brown for Washington. So Washington with Frank, another silver there. How's that insert on here? So Troy Brown, still waiting on our first Warrior. I can't believe it. And we have Terry Rozier, DeAndre Ayton, Duncan Roberts, 3-point master, and green, Jalen Leclerc, Phoenix. Green Leclerc. Think so? Dave says he thinks the next one has a Warrior in it. We hope so. Let's go. Rockets, Eric Gordon. Noel, OKC. Ty Jerome, Phoenix. Chris Middleton, Milwaukee Disco. Milwaukee Disco for Middleton. Dave says he thinks this is the one, Grayson. We hope so. Here we go. Chris Dunn, Bulls. Marvin Bagley. Jordan McLaughlin. And we got next Cam Reddish. Cam Reddish for Atlanta. So we have a Reddish. We're trying to get that hero for you as well. And we still need a Warrior. Landry Shamet, Clippers. Moody. DeAndre Hunter. Silva, Jalen Noel for the Timberwolves. So Noel for the Timberwolves. Still no Warriors out of 3 boxes. I can't believe it. The odds are with you, Grayson, for this last one. Let's see what we could do. Box 4, last mega. We got a rule. We still need a hero. I know the Pelicans and the Memphis wants more Zions and Jaws. Let's see, last one. 64 cards left. We can't get shut out here of New Orleans. Rip that right open. Let's see what we could do. Box is clear. 64 cards left. Here we go. Thank you guys for joining us. We're not done yet. We'll get some good pulls here out of this last box. Let's go. Kevin Durant, Brooklyn. Josh Jackson. Cameron Johnson. Larry Bird, Boston. Kings, Bazemore. And C.J. McCollum for the Blazers. This is like a little, I don't know. Looks like a silver. What do you think, Dave?
What's the teal?
Like a teal C.J. McCollum for Portland.
I don't really know.
All right, it's hard to tell, but we will put that in the sleeve. But it is a nice one there for McCollum. Huh? Yeah, a little bit, yeah. All right, put McCollum out there. Let's go. Robin Lopez. Kuzma, Lakers. Baines. Donovan Mitchell, Utah. Anthony Simmons. Carson Edwards. Green, Rajon Rondo. And arriving now, New York Knicks. R.J. Barrett. So a nice Knicks there for Jay. Let's put that on the top loader, Dave. Come on, Grayson. We got to pull a Warrior here. We got to get a Curry. Come on. This is ridiculous. All right. Here we go. Detroit. Prince. Brooklyn. Markelle Fultz. Ariza. PJ for Charlotte. Ja Morant tribute. Memphis for Frank. Green. Jamal Murray. And arriving now, Darius Garland for Cleveland. Nice little arriving now for Garland and Raven. So we'll top load that as well with the Morant. So we get two down.
It's
Like a purple, alright. Alright, come on. Let's go. Oladipo. Paces. Denzel Valentine. Tyler Johnson. Nets. Josh Georgie. Terrence Mann. Clippers. R.J. Barrett. Knicks. For Jay. Green. Moody. And Paul Millsap. Silver for Denver. So Denver with William and the silver. So put that out there. Arriving now. RJ, couple of RJ. Okay. All right. About halfway home. Still waiting for you, Grayson. Come on. Let's get a pack of old Warriors for you. We have to get one. LeBron James, Lakers for Frank. Nice LeBron. Dwight Powell. Harry Giles, Kings. Dennis Smith Jr. Lucas Samanic. 76ers. Green. Alfonso McKinney, Cavaliers. And John Collins. Get out the way. Collins, get out the way. So we have LeBron. And put Barrett up there. Bless you. Put him there.
Warriors.
Let's go, Warriors. Come on. Jamal Murray, Denver. Bazemore. Terrence Ross. Derek Jones. J.R. Smith. AI, Philly, Tribute. Kyle Kuzma, Green. And Gordon Hayward silver for the Celtics. And Russell, Gordon Hayward silver. 2 packs left.
The Warriors.
There's still no Warriors. This is unreal. And there we go. We finally get one. Draymond Green, Warriors. Miles Bridges.
Another Warriors.
Andrew Wiggins, Warriors. Bogdanovich.
Another Warriors.
Jordan Poole, Warriors. Al Horford. Marvin Bagley, Green. And lights, camera, action. Kevin Durant, silver. Nice one for Brooklyn. And our last pack of the night. All right, Miles Turner, Justice Winslow, Mitchell Robinson, Fred VanVleet, Brandon Clark, Naz Reid, Green, Admiral Schofield, silver, Bradley Beal. So nice Bradley Beal silver. All right, guys. So overall, not too bad. Unfortunately, we did not get a hero for Miami, but we did get Ja Morant tribute. Arriving now, New York Knicks, R.J. Barrett. We got our Zion base. R.J. base. Arriving now, Darius Garland. Rui for Washington. Luka. Cam Reddish, Atlanta. And probably the hit, Ja Morant Green. Then we have a bunch of our inserts in silver. I won't go through each one of them, just for the sake of time. But guys, thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. If you want to see the break again, it'll be uploaded in my YouTube channel, DD Card Breaks. Probably about a half hour or so. Or you can watch it here on Instagram. Sorry, Grayson. That happens sometimes. So hopefully you have some better luck next time with the Warriors. So I appreciate your support, guys. These will probably be out to you sometime on Tuesday. Make sure everybody stays safe and look for some more hoops breaks. They'll be coming up towards the end of the week as well. All right, guys. Thank you for being with us tonight. Enjoy your night. Thank you for joining D&D Breaks.